What's happening YouTube? We're back at a car show. Classic and Retro Tatton Park. It's been a few years since we've been to Tatton Park. Never fails to disappoint. Check this out and then I'll catch up with you. And we've just past the rarest owner stand and I've skipped them. I know that's mad because that's my world. This Scuba is next level. Absolutely fell in love with this. Take a look at this. Two-door classic Scuba Type R. Sat on some Automotives, AP racing brakes. We fell in love. These is a dad car. Scooby hatch. Understated, I think. In the Auto Jumble, so good show. Sim racing, can't be knocked. Even made the leaderboard. Where was I on the leaderboard? In the middle of the leaderboard. I think the top one was like 120. I'm not wearing that. Why would I wear this? I know I like Hot Wheels, but anyway, as I was saying, made the leaderboard. Good show, as you've seen. Not got the drone shots yet, which we'll get them before we go. And we're just wondering around the Auto Jumble, which is probably the best part of this show at Tatton Park. Who doesn't need a Ford steering wheel like this? Or a Sierra front grille? Or Escort grills? Who doesn't need them things in your life? We need them. We're not allowed them, no, but we do need them. But we're still here at the show, even though it's an Auto Jumble. Clean. Cheeky Simposa Delete. AirTech. Plenum, same as mine. But this is what we want to get to. This is what we want to trade up to. I think this is the aim. More on that trading up series, Road to RS, little logo here. future video I'll explain what we're going to try and do. Spree, don't know if it'll pick it up, but the bugs obviously approve. I forgot how to film car shows as it seems. Like, I didn't do much talking. Got some good shots with the drone though, which I'd need to use more I think. But like I said, there's a series coming that I want to try and do if the wife doesn't stop me, because she's already picked the next car of the series and it's one to keep apparently and not get rid of, but hey-oh, we'll get there. So we're going to head home. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. What was your favourite car of the show? I don't think I've got one. Have you?
My car went there.
Yeah, the next car of the series weren't there. Well, the next potential car of the series weren't there. Well, there was, but there was one in the car park, but I don't take any shots of it. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.